Today we're going to be setting the Poditrap Deadfall trigger, or DFT. This is identified by the red handle rather than a yellow, and it's great for environments like this where we're on a farm, there's livestock around, and they might kick over the trap. So this one's super stable. Basically, predator's going to get onto the inside, nibble away at some bait before it sets off. So the trap's not set at the moment, so it's nice and safe to have your hands around it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to lift up the deadfall trigger. Oh, move this out of the way. Lift this up and hook it onto there. So now we can put our bait on this little square bit in here and release that onto the bait. So that's where the predator's got to come in and nibble at the bait. Once that's the bait's gone, this will drop down and the trap will go off. So to set this, we're going to put this on so it's nice and safe. Setting the Poditrap DFT does take a bit of force, so you're going to want to use two hands and pull the lever right to the back. Oh, and that is set. So this is all ready to go. You're going to be able to tell whether it's gone off or not because this red handle is going to be down there. That's when you know you've killed something. So we're all ready to go, ready to catch some predators.